Hello. Today I want to show you how to remove the supercharge of this Jaguar it's a 2014. Uh, Customer says that he have coolant leak, and when I checked it, the leak was coming behind the water pump. So basically, I thought the problem was the water pump or the connector behind the water pump, but the problem was the oil cooler gasket was leaking. And trying to find any video online just tell me the instruction of how to remove the supercharged, and I couldn't find any videos. So I thought I should make this video for people who looking to remove it like me. And before I start, please like and subscribe for the channel. That will help me out make more videos. So first of all, I didn't start from the beginning, made this video. Sorry about that, but I will just show you how to what you need to remove. So you will need to remove the cover on top, like any bolt you see on top that you need to remove. Over here, like you see all around, all this bolt you need to remove. The hoses, any wires on top, those hoses right here. You just clip, brace on this one on both sides. You brace on that and just take it out like that, easy. And for this one also, you brace on that one and remove it. So after you remove all that, you will remove those bolts. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other side also 4 bolts. And after you remove this, it's not easy to take it out. You need a lift, because on this mount right here, there is no bolt for this mount. It's just a mount that goes on here, and it usually it's kind of stuck a little bit, so you need to a little bit wiggle it. Don't be scared, it's not gonna be broke. Just move it and get a brake bar and just try to wiggle it from this side over here and that side right there, and you will see it coming out slowly. And this is the water pump over here. The oil cooler. That's the leak where coming from. You can see a leak all around it. And also I'm going to replace the connector here behind the the one attached to this water pump. This is brand new water pump. The connector is attached on here. Let me bring it right quick. You can see this connector. There is a gasket same like this one. That's gonna be in the back here. So this is this one you connect it to an oil cooler, and over here is going to be connected to the water pump. So I'm going to replace this one also, and the gasket I have it, the oil cooler gasket I have it on here right there. See the part number. Okay, this is the part number, and I have the gasket right here for this connector. This gasket is cheap. It's about maybe $15 or $18. The problem is the job. Like you see, after you disconnect all this, you're gonna come on the back over here. After you wiggle it a little bit and have some room, you gotta disconnect this plug, disconnect this hose, which is this one right there. Sorry, where is it? Right there. Just the brace on both sides, and disconnect it. And you're gonna have to remove this mount. There's one here, one bolt in here, one in there, one in there, and also these two bolts. You're gonna have to disconnect it to have a room. And see all this bolt on top. I'm gonna have to take those off too. And I removed the wipers and the wiper cover to have some room right there. You just press on the middle of this clip, take it out, and after you take the wipers off, and then you bob this up, bob it up, not slide down, just bob it up like that. Will come off with you easy. Also, you're gonna have to remove this fuel line from both sides. That's 17mm wrench. This side, that side. I will connect. Was connected somewhere in here to the other side. So that's basically it. And this is the location for the NUC sensor. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 NUC sensors. Wow. Also, if you need to do the valve cover gasket, you're gonna have also to remove the supercharged. That's a pain in the neck, man. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please like and subscribe for the channel. Thanks.